you all are having a beautiful day. We're going to do a quick energy check for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate you. All right, let's get started. What does Aquarius need to know? What does Aquarius need to know? You've been being patient with something, taking your time, but you're feeling called to do something bigger. Towards someone that you're attracted to, because you might be taking too much time, being a little too patient, where things are not really moving forward, and you might be concerned you're going to lose them. Feeling restless. Feeling like you need to rush because you actually feel a connection here, so you're trying to stay positive. It looks like build up your confidence. Yeah, you're definitely being guided to do this, to maybe ask someone out on a date or have some kind of conversation. You're definitely being called to shift things and to take this opportunity now and protect what you want by putting your energy into it. All right, let's get you some advice. Advice for Aquarius, please. Align at the bottom of the deck. Your cards. We have open up and allow. Yeah, you need to open up to the situation. You're aligned right now, and you may be blocking yourself by not saying what it is that you want to say, what you need to say, not opening your heart to a situation. You've been being patient with it, but that may have been, like I said before, almost a block, something that's causing a restriction, and you're not following your intuition and taking some more action. All right, I hope this reading helped. Thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. I just wanted to remind you about the giveaway that I'm having right now, the gratitude giveaway. 10 subscribers can win a free one-card reading with me, which I will be posting on Christmas Day, December 25th. All you have to do to enter the contest is make sure you're subscribed and leave the comment, "I attract miracles," under any video from now till December 20th. All right, good luck, everyone.